Pythagorean triples are three natural numbers. Natural numbers are numbers that are positive whole numbers with no common factors that form a right triangle. This is going to help us so that we don't have to use the Pythagorean theorem all the time because we get used to seeing sets of three numbers that will always work in the Pythagorean theorem. It saves a lot of time. A few Pythagorean triple examples are some of the most common: 3, 4, 5. If I plugged these three numbers into the Pythagorean theorem, they would work. 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17, 9, 40, 41. There are lots and lots and lots. These are just some of the most common that we see. Notice in this problem where I have a right triangle, where I don't know this hypotenuse x. I see that two of the numbers are 5 and 12. So I notice that that looks like part of one of these Pythagorean triples. The missing number must be 13 to make that triple. That's only going to work because this is across from the right angle. This has to be the biggest side, and 13 is the biggest of those three numbers. So using that Pythagorean triple, I know that x is 13 without having to use the Pythagorean theorem. Let's look at this example. What is the value of x? So x is this missing side of a right triangle where I know two other sides. I could use Pythagorean theorem, or I could think of, is this one of my triples? I don't see 9 and 15 in this list, but I remember that Pythagorean triples have no common factors, yet 9 and 15 share a common factor of 3. If I divide both of these, 15 divided by 3, that gives me 5, and 9 divided by 3, that gives me 3. Now I see that 3 and 5 are a part of one of these Pythagorean triples. That's the 3, 4, 5 triple. What's missing? The 4. So the 4 should go on that missing side. But remember that to get the 3 and the 5, we had to divide these numbers by 3. To go back, 5 times 3, multiplying, that gives me 15. On this side, 3 times 3, that gives me 9. And over here, 4 times 3, that gives me 12. So by multiplying by 3 to all three sides of this Pythagorean triple, I get 9, 12, 15, and can see that that missing length is 12. So x equals 12. And without having to use the Pythagorean theorem, I have efficiently solved this problem. Thanks for watching.